What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can delete your wallet completely. For that, the process is very simple. Just follow this video till the end so you will know how you can delete the wallet using the Telegram. So let's just open up the wallet by clicking on the wallet over here. So once you open the wallet, you will see the wallet like this. It is an application. So what you guys can do is go to these three dots and then go to setting, and in the setting then go to the don't beta space. Here you can see your wallet. What you can do is to click on remove tone space. So this is the only way you can delete or remove the tone space from your Telegram. Otherwise, there is no direct way to delete your wallet or remove your wallet. What you guys can do, you can delete the whole chat with the bot, but that's pretty much it. You can't do anything else. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel.